welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. For today's video, I will do unboxing to the secret box or blind box that I bought from Pop Mart. So yesterday, I went to Pop Mart here in Bangkok, Thailand, which is in Central World. So it's near Pratunam, in front of Big C. So I decided to go there to bought new blind box or secret box. So I'll show you first, and let's open one by one. So first, I bought this Have a Seat. So this one is Labubu version 2. It's called Have a Seat. And the next one, guys, is Molly. This one is series 3. This one, guys, is figures. So blind box figures. So Molly. And the last one, guys, is Crying Again. This one also is Cry Baby Crying Again series figures. So this one. So if you ask me why I bought figures, because I want to display it to our car. So that's why I bought figures. So if you are familiar to my channel, guys, I also bought the Lazy Yoga, and I already display it to our car. So this one. And I want to display it to the Molly and Crying Again figures. So let's do unboxing, and I am very excited to open each blind box. So let's go. So guys, let's open first the Molly. This one. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 3 secrets. So it's very small. I can't read. Yeah, it's too small. But it has 9. There's a brown, pink, red. So like that. So cute. So let's open. Cool. So this one is a Space Molly. So actually, guys, there's so much stuff in Pop Mart. So but I decided to buy the Molly one, the Space Molly, because my husband said it's pretty cool and cute. Oh! I've got this one, Basement. So it looks like this. So the arm, it's movable. Also the legs, the feet, it's pretty cool, and there is a plastic here. It's really nice. So let's check the box. It says Gary Basement. Oh, this one, Gary Basement Space Mega Space Molly. So 100% series 3. So this one is the card. So Pop Mart X Kenny's work, 100%. So Gary Basement. So let me check what is inside the box. Oh. So what is this? This one is like a Let me check. Ah, he needs to hold this one. She needs to hold this one like this, guys. Let me open. Oh, see? It's pretty cool. So cute. This cost 380 baht. So if I'm not mistaken, because I forgot how much is it. So is there any price here? No. No price, but I remembered it's 380 baht. So good. So cute. Alright, so this one is the Space Molly. And let's go to the next one. The Crying Again. Crying Again. So, wow. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 characters and 3 secret. So it says Baby Brown, Baby Blonde, Heartless Girl, Star Boy, Love is Love, The Rubber, She's Alice. Oh, I want the She's Alice. Love Makes Us Cry, I'll Give You All My Love, I'll Bring You a Flower, What a Frog, Duck Q, and Secret, Super Secret, and Secret. But I want to get Alice. I hope I will get Alice. So let's open. So this one, guys, it's cost 380 baht. Oh. I think I got Alice. I hope I got Alice. Oh, I got this one. So cute. She's wearing only underwear. Baby Brown. This is Baby Brown. I got the Baby Brown. So funny. It's a Baby Brown. Yeah, Baby Brown. Ah, so there is a stand. How it is. So this one, guys, is included. So a stand. And what is this? This one is like this. Oh, so it's magnet. So like that, guys. And let's stand this one. Let's put the stand to She's Brown. Baby Brown. So cute. So here, guys. Alright. So next one is the Labubu version 2 Have a Seat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters and 1 secret. So Hehe, Sisi, Dada, Zizi, Baba, and QQ. I want to get Baba or Dada. I don't want QQ because, and I don't want Hehe because I have already the blue one. I've got the version 1 blue. So I want to get peach one or nude one. I want Dada or Baba. So I'm very excited. So this one is the version 2 Labubu. So let's open. naman. I want to get Dada, please. Or Baba. Or Secret. If I am very lucky. Oh, I think I got blue again. Wow! I got the... Oh! I think I got... Who's this? I got CC. Yeah, I got CC. Oh, I got CC. Yeah. So I got CC, guys. Let me confirm if I got CC. Yeah, I got CC. Alright, so this one is the version 2. And I already got the box, the plastic protection for my Labubu. So this one, guys. Oh, at least I didn't get the blue one because I've got the blue one version 1. Alright, so once again, guys, this one I will show you the blind boxes that I've got. So this one is the Space Molly, the Gary Basement. So this one is the Baby Brown, Crying Again. And the last one is Sissy Labubu version 2. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video about my unboxing to the secret box or blind boxes. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye!